Students, today we are solving NCERT exercise 3.5 question number 2 first part. For which values of A and B does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? So you have been given condition of that the given pair of linear equation have infinite number of solutions. And the first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and the second equation is A minus B multiplied by x plus a plus b multiplied by y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So what we do, first we write the given pair of linear equation in the standard form, which is the first equation. Given equations can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. And secondly, a minus b multiplied by x plus a plus b multiplied by y minus of what we have taken. We have taken the right hand side of the second equation, given second equation, to the left hand side. So on transposing, the sign of all the terms will be changed. So I have put it here negative sign, and then I have written the whole terms in the small bracket, so equal to 0. Let it be equation number 2. Here you can find out the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So in this case, a1 is 2, a2 is a minus b. We have written this. B1 is plus of 3, b2 is a plus b. So we have written b1 and b2 also. C1 is minus 7 and c2 is minus of 3a plus b minus of 2. Since the given pair of equation have infinite solutions, so for that we have the condition as a1 upon a2 should be equal to b1 upon b2, and it should be equal to c1 upon c2. So we substitute the values of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 in the given formula. So what we get, 2 upon a minus b is equal to 3 upon a plus b is equal to minus of 7 upon minus multiplied by 3a plus b minus of 2. So in this case, what we do, we can cancel the minus sign from the numerator and the denominator. Now from the first two, that is 2 upon a minus b and 3 upon a plus b, we equate both. What we get, we cross multiplied them. 2 multiplied by a plus b, and here we have 3 multiplied by a minus b. So on solving, we get 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. Again, on transposing, we get 2a minus 3a is equal to minus 2b minus of 3b. And lastly, we are getting minus of a is equal to minus of 5b. Again, on solving, we get a minus 5b is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 3. Now, from the last two, we equate the last two. See, 3 upon a plus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Again, we cross multiply them. So 3 multiplied by 3a plus b minus of 2 and 7 multiplied by a plus b. So in this, we get 9a plus 3b minus of 6, 7a. Here on right hand side, we get 7a plus 7 of b. Again, on solving, we get 2a minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. 2 taking common from all the terms, we get a minus 2b minus 3 is equal to 0. So let it be equation number 4. Now in this case, again we find out a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So here you can see a1 is plus of 1, a2 is plus of 1. So we have written here b1 is minus of 5 and b2 is minus of 2. c1 is 0 and c2 is minus of 3. So again we have written this. Now for a standard pair of linear equations, that we have a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. And to solve these equation 3 and 4, we shall apply the method of cross multiplication. And we know, since our given standard pair of linear equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. And for that, the given formula for cross multiplication will be x upon b1 b2, c1 c2, and y is y upon c1 c2 A1, A2. And lastly, we have constant column. So we have A1, A2, B1, B2. I have explained it in earlier also in question number 1. We know how to apply the cross multiplication method. So here what we do, we substitute these values of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 in the given formula. That is column of X, column of Y and column of constants. So on substituting, now again see what? We have the variables as A and B in the equation 3 and 4. So that's why in place of the variable in the formula variable X, we will write A upon the values of B1, B2, C1, C2. And in place of Y variable, we write B and C1, C2, A1, A2. And on the constant columns, we will write A1, A2, B1, B2. I have indicated that first we multiply the red colored terms and then we subtract the black colored arrow showing the terms. Okay, so in this case we multiply -5 multiplied by -3, and secondly subtracting the product of -2 and 0. Here also we first multiply the red indicating arrow terms. You see 0 multiplied by 1 and subtracting the black indicating terms, that is -3 and 1. Again on the constant sides also column, we will do the firstly the multiplication of the red arrow showing the terms, that is 1 and -2, and subtracting the terms which are shown in the black color, that is 1 and -5. So what we get? A upon 15 plus 0, B upon 0 plus 3, and constant column is 1 upon -2 plus 5. Or we can say A upon 15 will be equals to B upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 3. Again on solving, cross multiplying, A should be equal to 15 upon 3, that is 5, and B is equal to 3 upon 3, that is 1. Hence the required values of A and B are 5 and 1 respectively. Thank you.